Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am going to be your tour guide through Amazon, all things holiday. I have advent calendars, gift sets, a few odds and ends, of course, and I spent some serious time researching and going through it all. It is wild over on Amazon. There are so many different advent calendars. If you type in holiday anything, you are going to be bombarded with so much stuff. So I curated a few things that I just wanted to share, test, and try, and also I'm going to share things that I'm actually gifting. So let's go ahead and start with the big bad boy. This is the one that I am most excited about. It is Amazon's Advent Calendar. Now, this is their 12 Days of Beauty. It is $98. It's a sizable, nice presentation. If you want to wow someone, like this is like very much wow. 8 full-size items in here. You get 4 deluxe items. Look at this presentation. How amazing is that? Let's open her up. Love the pink little, oh, I broke the bow. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Just line them all up. Okay, wow. I feel like you could keep the box. Ow, oh my God. I just injured Amazon. Ah, oh my gosh. Is that gonna bruise me? Happy holidays. What the hell? The level of clumsy that I am. Send help. All right, this box is extremely well made, heavy. I would save it for something. Let's go through what you get. This right here, Black Honey, this is iconic. This has been around for ages and it is still popular today for a good reason. It looks good on almost everyone. I remember my mom using this back in the day and it would always surprise me with how dark the actual tube looks. But then you put it on and it just gives this kind of berry popsicle stain, but really sexy look to the lips, and you get a full-size one in here. Day 2, you're getting BioDance BioCollagen Real Deep Mask. These are amazing. Now this is one that you could wear overnight. It's gonna turn clear as you wear it and all of the ingredients are being penetrated so deeply into the skin, you peel it off. It's like you got a facial. This is such a hack and I love this one. Going into day 3, we have some press-on nails from OPI. A lot of people are into the press-ons right now and I'm tempted. I keep seeing them online and they look so good. And we love a good red, so this is an option to do your nails at home. Day 4, you get a deluxe size hydrogel grip primer from Milk Makeup. This is great just to have on the go in your on-the-go travel little makeup bag or just to test out the product. It is really good. Yes, we have dupe options at the drugstore. e.l.f. gripping primer, hello. But this is the OG and you do get a sizable deluxe product in here. Day 5, like not the most exciting. Juicy Cherry Burt's Balm Lip Balm, but who doesn't love a good chapstick that you can just throw in the bag? That's cute. Day 6. I like the boxes even. I think they're super cute. We're getting a Sol de Janeiro. We love this. Oh my gosh. This is the best scent. Transported. Ah, that just smells like food and sexiness and warmth and it's cozy. And this is one of those fragrances that I really feel is year round just because of the warmth. This is so good. A $26 value, you're getting that. I bought this myself, by the way, so in case you were curious, this is all my own doing. This is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. I'm gonna keep this and test it out myself because this is an expensive product. I don't know that much about Sunday Riley. Let me know in the comments if you do, but this is not cheap. I wanna say this is 50 bucks alone. I will be testing this out tonight. This is an all-time must-have favorite. This is a full-size tube. This is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. You guys, if you want to wake up with baby smooth skin and you cannot be bothered to wear the collagen sheet masks overnight, I can't do it. I always end up kind of pulling them off my face even when I try. This, however, super effective with such a thin layer. This is unscented, very clean ingredients. You put this on and you peel it off or wash it off in the morning and bam, glass skin. You get a full-size one in here. We're getting a Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss in raspberry. This is a $22 value. Smells very delicious. Everyone's so into these, the Touchland hand sanitizers. I like them. I got one in my Sephora gift set and I think they're cute and good. Why not? Keep your hands nice and clean when you're out and about. It's like a Bath & Body Works spray, but hand sanitizer. The scent is pretty intense, so keep that in mind. This is in the scent Blue Sandalwood. It smells really nice, really clean and fresh. You're getting a toner from Laneige. This is their Cream Skin Serapeptide Mist Toner. This is an awesome product, $12 value, little deluxe mini. But when you add all of this stuff up, it's like a pretty great deal. I love this one so much. And you guys have reached out to me over and over again over this particular cleansing balm. And then we also collectively like the Clinique one. Those are the two cleansing balms that you guys report back to me most of like, wow, I've used this for years now, Tati. I'm so happy that you recommended this to me. And Elemis just gets it done right with their cleansing balms, and you get a nice deluxe size. I think this is so good. Not bad. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and say that like with the box presentation and all the full size and deluxe size and everything you get in here, impressive gift. Everything here is like feeling kind of random. So let me just point out that I bought this, and I bought it because I am selfish, and this one is for me. I love the presentation. If you are gonna be gifting this, I just want to say Victoria's Secret for years and years and years has always done an epic job with their lip products. When they had more makeup in stores, I would always buy their makeup. They had like a foil eye cream that I used to obsess over. And when they had a more robust makeup line, like 10, 12 years ago, it was so good. I was sad to see it go. Their lip glosses are so good. They remind me an awful lot of the Lancome Juicy Tubes. You're getting 5 lip glosses in here for $35, where Lancome is $25 for one. And I feel like these are better. They always have the right give, and I kind of wanted to rediscover, because we're in the land of everybody having this kind of a gloss, from Laneige to Summer Fridays. Everybody comes out with these, and I just had to see if I still felt that way. That smells so good. It's gingerbread. This is shortbread. I think I'm gonna put this one on. Just like a jelly, juicy, reflective, shimmery gloss that looks cute and smells fantastic. I hope you guys appreciate that I dressed up for you today as well. So thumbs up for bringing the holiday fashion. I've had this blazer for years though, so do not ask me where it is from. It's from the past, and I will keep it forever. Ooh, that one is really pretty too. Twinkling Cranberry. Ugh, they all smell so good. And then we have Candied Apple and Sparkling Candy Cane. If you're into this kind of a thing and you like the fun scents and the presentation, I think it's really cute. The other thing that I'll share with you guys while I was shopping on Amazon is that everything is kind of chaotic and not the greatest as far as organization goes. So as I was searching, I was really looking for gift sets, things that I already love that are being discounted and presented in a way where you could wrap it and give it as a good gift. This is a great one for someone that's into the more natural what have you and loves castor oil. This is excellent. A roll-on castor oil set. This is so nice. I love castor oil, you guys. I made an entire video dedicated to castor oil. I use this on my lashes, brows, cuticles, feet. It's just the miracle for every situation, and it hydrates like none other. This is the most perfect size for your nails. Now you can spend a ton of money on different cuticle nail oil, but I think castor oil is the best way to go. It hydrates them the most effectively. This is an organic castor oil with rose quartz. It's a roller. It's 100% organic and pure, unrefined, cold pressed, glass bottle, and hexane free, which is what you want to look for when you're using castor oil. I love the roller element of this so much. And I also love that it's in this cute box that you could easily wrap up and give as a great gift. This I am giving as an actual gift, but you guys have heard me talk about this product time and time again. This is a great deal, great presentation, 2 products that will really help your skin so much. So this would be great for someone who is into skincare that just kind of wants an all-in-one serum, essence, slight exfoliant. It juices your skin up. It kind of does it all. And whenever I'm using Snail Mucin, I do see a difference. This is the COSRX Mucin Power Essence. You also get the 6 Peptide Skin Booster Serum. This is an Amazon exclusive. I will have everything linked and listed, of course, but I thought this was a really, really cute gift set. This I just needed to see in person. I love TonyMoly, and the masks are great. I cannot say this enough. A sheet mask will do so many great things for your skin at home. This just allows product to not evaporate on the top layer of the skin and penetrate really deeply. Bonus tip, if you have a serum that you really love that you want penetrated more deeply, put that on underneath whatever sheet mask you are going to be using, and then it ups the potency. This was $25. It's a $45 value, and you get so much in here. This is also, gosh, I kind of have to crack into this one. I tell my family, like, whenever I'm doing gift whatnot, like, don't watch the video, but then they'll watch it. Then they get curious. This one's for my mom. I'm laughing at myself because my mom is the only person that I shop for that I can buy like whimsical, weird, like the weirder the better, and she will just eat it up. She will love it. So if you know someone like that, like my mom, she's the plant lady. She has all her cool coffee mugs and magnets, and this just jumped out at me. This was something that I had never seen anywhere else before, and I thought of my mom the moment I saw it. Oh, I really want to dig in here. We're gonna just, Mom, I'm so sorry. We're gonna dig into one. I love you, and I thought of you. This is so stupid, but so cute. These are magnets that are like little vases, and you can pick a teeny tiny flower and put it in here and pop this on your fridge. You could also put it in the car. They give you that option on the back. And I thought it was so funny and random, and I know that she's gonna love it and laugh about this. So the quality actually opening that first day is pretty dang good. This wasn't crazy expensive, and it's just kind of one of those fun random gifts. This was selfish for me. I really like stocking up on my favorites when it is holiday time. I think it's smart. So maybe I should take back the selfish part. This is the Osea Body Oil and Lip Booster Duo. I haven't tried the lip oil. I really wanted to try this, and I just thought I wanted to see the presentation and give this one a go, and I just added to cart so quickly. I like that it comes in glass. I love the ingredients. And when it comes to this particular oil on the body, it legitimately is like you just stepped out of a fancy spa. The scent is absolutely stunning, beautiful, and it makes the skin glow and glisten. It doesn't get overly greasy, gloppy, but it just does so much. I'm a big fan of Osea. You can find this stuff also at Ulta. This was $32 for the set. Not crazy expensive, but also nice to have a little mini to travel with. Yeah, you could refill this also. We don't have matching sets when it comes to mugs in our household, so I did pick these up, and I think they're so festive, so holiday. These are the Creuset mugs. Look how gorgeous that is. It's like almost kind of ombre, and it just has the perfect like wide mouth to do like a little whipped cream, little hot cocoa moment. I love it. I'm like in a red moment, like yes, for a holiday, but just like in general, like I'm really drawn to red right now. But I think giving mugs for like a tea lover, and then you can package it up with maybe some teas, maybe like some cozy warm socks, make it like your own little stocking stuffer moment. Like I love putting together gifts in that way where I theme it out and have like little add-ons that go with the theme of the gift. This is not an advent calendar, but it is a holiday collection. Now this one is beefy and filled with full-size products. I really want to love this. I have never tried this brand, so this is another exploration moment for me. This is spendy, so this is a little more luxury if you have a spa lover in your life, someone that's really into clean organic ingredients. This might be a brand to look out for. Have you guys heard of Oak Essentials? Really gorgeous, like gorgeous box. Everything about this is very luxe, thank God, because this is an expensive item. This is what it looks like on the inside. Celebrate the ritual of self-care. We have a body wash, luminous body lotion, which is blue tansy. I'm super excited about that. A body scrub, which I go through body scrub like nobody's business. Moisture rich body balm, and a dew body oil. How gorgeous. Oh my God. It smells like Osea, but somehow better. Like it has kind of, if Osea and my favorite oil from Clarins joined hands, that's what this smells like. It smells so good. I just got relaxed, okay? I just got relaxed. I love that. Okay, so the body wash, thank God, is in plastic. Like I love glass. I want things to be microplastic free if possible. But when it comes to the shower, like please, like let's not lose our minds. Let's not break glass bottles in the shower. But this still is a really nice plastic container, really elegant, really sleek. This is the Awaken body wash. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be living my best life in the shower. And this is all like essential oils, very organic, very clean formulation. This one right here is blue tansy, rose oil, turmeric root extract, which will help reduce the signs of aging. And I just think this is the most gorgeous bottle of lotion to display. It almost has like a spicy scent to it. It's pleasant. That is really different. I'll have to get back to you guys on whether it's truly nourishing, plushy, anti-aging, all of those claims. I am going to be displaying this. I think it's gorgeous. Glass on the body balm. So everything glass except for the body wash. That is one heck of a body balm. Like it's an actual, oh, it's an actual balm. Stop this. You guys know I love Egyptian magic so much, so this would be great on the feet with a pair of cozy socks. That smells so good. Ah, fresh and spa. It's like floral lavender, but not aggressive, fresh spa. I just have to crack into here and see what the body scrub smells like because I'm really having a sensory moment. And I hope you guys are enjoying my absolutely acting like a child over this brand. Let's see what we got. Good, fresh spa, outdoors. It's giving outdoor spa time. It looks questionable. I'm gonna try it, I'll get back to you. I'm excited to give this line a go. They do have smaller gift sets available as well. You don't have to get like the big, huge guy. Actually this was gonna be the final trick. I'm gonna have to crack into this at a later date. Let me know if you wanna see it. Maybe I'll crack into it on a live and do like a full face with this. A lot of it is advertised like for the teenager in your life, la la la. Here's the thing. Sometimes with these kits, you can find a few items that are just like smash hit. I mean, did we see my Dollar Tree try on? Some of those products really actually work. So I don't put my nose in the air when it comes to all of these little, kits. I think you can find things that are actually good. The presentation is not as nice as I had hoped it would be, but I think I'm going to play with this on a live. So let me know if you want to see that. Final move. You guys, a great epic gift to give is a collection of books. Go and buy a book series. I have a big, huge Throne of Glass book collection, and I just think the spines of them and everything look really great in the bookcase. And I love personally reading, not on a Kindle, but giving my eyes a break and actually reading a physical hold in the hand book. There's something special about it. Kind of helps us to decompress. So if there's a book lover in your life, look on Amazon for particular collections that are hardcover, a little more presentable, very gift worthy. That's a great option. A really cute touch would be something like this. It's a little heart and you just put it on the upper corner of wherever you're at in whatever book you're reading. This was the most random purchase. I have zero regrets though. These are so super cute. I am totally understanding that this was a very random all over the place haul, but as someone who gets sent a lot of products, that tries a lot of products, when I go on Amazon and I see things that grab my attention, I feel like I should sit down and share with you guys what I have pulled together as a haul, and this one is very holiday themed. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up as always. I love hearing from you in the comments, and other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.